Hello, learners. How are you? How are you doing? It's your mathematics teacher, Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Today, let's say I'm going to record your mathematical final exam revision. So this revision can, let's say, guide you and can, let's say, answer your questions. Okay, we start. So question number one. Question 1, multiple choice questions, 12 marks. Each item carries at least 2 marks. Okay, 1 mark. So, which of 2 marks? Yes. So, choose the letter of the correct response on the sheet. The first question is, which pair of the following graphs present the same motion? Is it, let's say, A or B or C or D? So the correct answer is design insert is this. This is the correct answer. Okay, A is the correct answer. Clear? For the next question, the graph below shows the distance time graph of 3 objects A and B and C. The question is looking for studying the graph and answer the following questions. Which of the 3, let's say, graphs, A or B or C, is the traveled the slowest? Okay, so you can see the graph of B, let's say, traveled the fastest because it has, let's say, the greatest slope or greatest gradient. Also, this one, the second one, let's say, has the let's say the slowest, let's say, gradient. And this one you can, let's say, calculate it here to find, let's say, the gradient. Then you can so the correct answer should be the, let's say, the C. Okay, the graph C. This is the correct answer. If we suppose that this is the correct answer, if we suppose that the question is given in other words, different questions. Now we are going to see which, let's say, graph is traveled the fastest, meaning the graph that has the highest or the largest gradient, which is the graph B. So the answer here should be the letter B. Clear? Okay, for the next question, we have if f of x equal 2 to the power 2x, find f of 2. Okay, I'll just make this one. So f of 2 is equal to, insert, okay, shape here, f of 2, learners, control V, f of 2, I'll just write here f, I will just make substitution. F of 2 is equal to the power 2 times 2. 2 times 2, which is equal to 2 to the power 4, equal 2 to the power 4. Okay, equal 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16. So this one should be equal to 16. So the correct answer, learners, is C. Clear? Okay, for the next one, given that, I'll just use this one, this rectangle. Given that, let's say, f of x equal ax plus 4 and f minus 2 equal negative 4, then the value of a, is it negative 3 or 2 or negative 4 or equal to 4? Let's say first, I will make copy. We have f of x equal, f of x is equal to a times this one after. It will be ax plus 4, and we have f of 2 equal negative 4. So make substitution. So f of negative 2, then I will include this one, should be equal to a times negative 2. A times multiplied by negative 2 means negative 2a plus 4 equal negative 4 Okay, then I'm going to transfer this negative 4 on the right hand side, so it will be equal, therefore negative 2a equal negative 4, which is equal to negative 8. Then I should divide, let's say, both sides by negative 2, therefore a is equal, I'll make like that. Okay, so therefore equation, okay, therefore a is equal to negative 8 divided by negative 2 gives us 4. This is the correct answer. Clear? Okay, this is how can you, let's say, figure out the value of a. Clear? I wish it's clear for you. So then I will extend this one. So we told that the correct answer should be equal to 4, which is the letter D. This is the correct answer. Okay, so make enter here, then I'll put this there. Okay, the next question 4. Now we move to the next one. We have the tangent ratio. We have a right angle triangle. This is the angle theta, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. Now we are going to let's say recognize or write down the trigonometric ratio of sine, tangent, and cosine. Okay, so the question is, the tangent ratio is equal, by definition, is the opposite side divided by the adjacent, opposite side divided by the adjacent. So it will be this one. This is a knowledge question, learners. Okay, for the next question we are going to see or to write down the sine ratio. Okay, this is the local for you. I'm recording the lecture. So the sine rule, try to find the sine ratio. Here we have a right angle triangle. So the sine rule is in fact sine of theta equal opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, the locus side of this right angle triangle. So from these options I'm going to find the sine ratio. Sine ratio is hypotenuse over opposite. Now sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, then cosine of theta is adjacent over opposite. False. And sine of theta is opposite over, let's say, adjacent. This is cotangent. Okay, so the correct answer is this one. Okay, so only this, learners. Okay, this is, yes, this is the correct answer for this one. Now we continue. Now we'll see we'll try to work out or write down the cosine ratio. Now at least you have the 3 trigonometric ratios of a right angle triangle that can be given in the final exam. So the cosine ratio is what? Of theta. Cosine ratio of theta is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Here this is false. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Yes, it will be this one, the correct answer. This is the cosine ratio of the angle theta. Now the next question, Murad wants to solve for B when, let's say, the angle B is 21 degree and angle C, this is 21 degree. I will use a square, okay, or a small shape. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, then I will write here angle B is 21 degree. I will copy here. So this is 21 degree. I will put this is the angle B. Okay, the angle B is 21 and the angle C is okay, the angle C, control C, then V. Okay, this is 46 degree. Now this is the angle, the size of the angle C. Okay, and let's say AB is equal to 9. AB is equal to 9. This is 9. This is 9 centimeter, which is equal. This is 9 centimeter. I will just write here 9. Now 9 centimeter. I wrote, let's say, or I labeled all the details of this triangle. Now we are going to solve for B. Okay, first of all, let's continue reading the question. So he told that, Mr. Murad told that the side B is equal to 4.484 centimeter to 3 decimal places. So here we are going to use what will apply the cosine rule, so that we can figure out the length of B. Okay, let's say start. I will use a symbol of equation. I will use this one, sine rule. Okay, I will use this one, copy. Then I will paste here so that I can explain this one. First of all, I will insert cannot insert, why? Here. Okay, I will insert, yes, this one I will make copy. Now I will insert a square so that I can explain it here. Okay, now I will make control V. So our sine rule is, I will just erase this one. It will be sine rule means let's say 9 divided by our small c divided by sine of the angle capital C. Okay, should be equal. I will use a fraction, it's better. Okay, I will erase this one. Okay, cut. Then this one is small c, Mr. Murad. Okay, and this is sine of the angle C. Okay, should be equal to what? I'm going to use this angle and the opposite side, which is small c. This is the opposite side. Okay, opposite side. This is the opposite side of the angle. I will use this, and I'm going to find, let's say, yes, I'm going to use also the angle B and the opposite side to the angle B, which is small b. Okay, I will use this one. So this one, learners, is equal to, okay, control, it will be small b divided by sine of the angle B. Then cross multiplying, I will write, therefore the symbol, what is it? The symbol, this one. Therefore I will try to write b in terms, so therefore b is equal, small b is Murad, b is equal to c sine of the angle, capital C, okay, divided by sine of the angle B. Okay, now just substitution. It will be equal sine, so C is what? C we told is 9 multiplied by sine of the angle C, which is 46 degree, of course, divided by sine of 21. Okay, then we can use calculator. We'll use a calculator. Okay, calculator, scientific calculator, scientific, yes, this one I need. Told I will make 9 sine, okay, degree. Okay, so I will make 9 multiply by sine of what? No. Okay, I will use my calculator. I will just make this one. We have, so we told 9 sine of 46 equal, then divided by and sine of 21. Okay, just I will check again. We have, let's say, okay, small c, 9 over, okay, 9 over sine of 46. Okay, yes, I will check. This is, it will be 21, and this is 46, because I'm going to divide by sine of 46. So it will be, we told 9 by sine 21 divided by sine of 46. So approximately equal to what? To 4.483. Okay, so is equal to what? This one equal to 4.837. 2 decimal places, so should be equal to what? Equal to 4.484 centimeter to 1 dp, 1 decimal place, 3 decimal places. Okay, so now I'm going to check. So he told that the answer is 4.484, so his answer is correct, and we can, let's say, assume that his reasoning is also correct. I wish that we let's say, solve these questions using the sine rule. Okay, the next. So is he correct? Of course, yes. Is he? Yes, he is correct. Yes, of course, yes. So he is correct. An explanation is that, learners, you should write this here. Okay, I wish that it's clear for you. The next question. Now we move to the next question. Question 7. If, let's say, the square matrix of odd 4 by 4 is, let's say, in fact, is the unit matrix. Okay, simply because the diagonal, all the value of this diagonal is equal to 1. So then the type of I4, okay, is what is European, is it horizontal matrix or singleton matrix or a unit matrix? So it's clear that it's a unit matrix simply because the value that are lying on the diagonal is equal to 1 and all the entries is equal to 0. Okay, the next. Okay, question number 8. Murad wants to multiply the matrix A 1501 by a scalar factor of 3. So he said that 3 times A is equal to 3, 15, 0, and 3. Is your teacher correct? If not, try to explain and give the correct answer. Okay. Is he correct? Okay. Is he correct? Of course here. Yes, he is correct. And then you are going to explain this. Okay. Let's do it. I will just insert a square. Where can I, let's say, show my working? Okay. Like that. And then this is my matrix. I will make copy. So this one will be white. Okay, yes. So this is my matrix. Then I'm going to multiply this by 3. I will try to multiply this by the scalar factor of 3. Okay. So 3 times, so 3a. Okay, 3a equal 3 times all of this should be equal. Okay, copy. Then this one is equal to 3 times 1, 3 times 1, 3 times 1. Then this one is 3 times 5. Then this one is 3 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 3 or 3 times 1. So this one, learners, should be equal to what? I'll put this here. Therefore 3a I need to do this one. Oh, okay, no problem. So okay, so 3a is 3 times a. So 3 times a equal 3 times a is equal to, we told here is 3 by 1 is 3. Okay, and this is 15, and this is 3. Okay, so this is how can you learners explain your answer. Okay, this is the correct answer for this question. So meaning that your mathematics teacher Murad Sultan Ezouidi really found the correct answer. Okay, your explanation should be written here. Okay, copy and control, explain your answer. So it should be written here. Clear? Okay. I wish that the explanation is clear for you learners. I'll put here. Okay. The next one. Which transformation is associated with the matrix -1, 0, 0, -1? In your opinion, is it a rotation of 90 degree clockwise about the origin, or a rotation of 180 about the origin, or a rotation of 90 degree counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, or a reflection in the x-axis? So the correct answer, learners, is rotation 180 about the origin. Clear? So the next one, here the probability of drawing, let's say, an S card from a deck of 52 cards, okay, is, so we have only 4 asses, so the answer should be equal to 4 divided by 52, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 after simplifying by the common factor. Then if 2 coins now are tossed together simultaneously, then what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? So it's clear, the answer here is okay, 2 heads means 1/4 plus 1/4, which is equal to half. Okay, the next, now let's say we'll try to enter this. Okay, now the 3 diagram show the outcomes of rolling a die and flipping a coin. The question is, what is the probability of rolling an even number and flipping a head? Okay, so you can see this one, okay, so this one, the probability of getting, let's say, 1 is 1/6, simply because we have the possible outcomes is 6 outcomes for the first one, and for the second one it will be half. Okay, this one is 1/2. Okay, the second here, okay, this is 1/6, this is also 1/6, this is also, learn, the probability of getting 4 is 1/6, and the probability of getting, let's say, 5 is 1/6, and the probability of getting 6 is 1/6. Then for the second one, the probability of getting, let's say, the probability of getting, let's say, a head is half, because they are equally like terms, equally likely to be happen. They have the same probability. All of this is half. Okay, also here is half, all of them, but I don't have more space for this diagram. Okay, and this one is half, and this one also is half. Okay, then I show, let's say, this is also, learners, let's say, the probability of getting a tail is half also. For a tail is half. Okay, I'll just erase this one, no need for this. Now the question is having, let's say, an even number, and what else, and flipping a head. Even number and flipping a head. This is even number. The probability of getting 2 is 1/6, and the probability of getting a tail, I thought there is written what? It's a head. Okay, a head is 1/2. So the probability is the product of this one plus the product of 1/6 multiplied by half plus the product of 1/6 multiplied by half, which is gives, let's say, 1/12 plus 1/12 plus 1/12 gives 3 divided by 12. So this is, learners, is the correct answer for these questions. Either head or tails, you will have the same answer for this one. Okay, why we divide by 12? Because the possible outcomes is 6 multiplied by 2, which is 12. Clear? Now for the next question, an athlete runs 60 meters in 10, let's say, 10-second time. Another athlete, let's say, runs 20 in 5-second time. The question is express the speed in terms of the distance. So speed is equal to what? To distance. So speed is equal to what? To distance divided by the time. Here, this is the correct answer. This is the formula analogy question. Okay. Now we move to the next one. Next question. Calculate the speed of the first athlete. The speed of the first athlete learners is speed, I'll just write here, S is equal, we told he travels or he runs, let's say 60 meter. So 60 divided by 10, which is equal to 6 meter per second. Per second, please. Okay, meter per second. Okay, this is the first athlete. Okay. Then for the second athlete, we have what? The second athlete 20 meter in, let's say 20 meter in 5 seconds. So just make division. Okay, I will just put this one, copy, and I will write the second one we told is 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4 meter per second. Then we are going to conduct or conclude which one is the fastest. So who is running faster? So according to this one, so the first athlete, let's say the first athlete is the fastest. So the first one, the first athlete, okay, is the fastest. Fastest, not fittest. Fastest, okay. Yes. Please, Mook. I'm recording. Okay. Now the next part. Okay, we continue. Now we move to the next part. Okay. So given y equal, given y. Okay. Given the function y equal y to the power x. Okay. So complete the table. Here when x equal minus 2, it would be 0.25. This is when x equal minus 1 is 0.5. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 4. 2 and this one is 4. Okay. Now we are going to plot these points and draw the curve of this function y equal 2x to the power x. I'm going to see if I have GeoGebra. GeoGebra is it? GeoGebra, I thought is here, but I don't know. GeoGebra, okay, this one. Please come. I will, let's say, use GeoGebra to show this for you, or we can do it manually. Okay, we plot the points. Okay, then we draw the curve of these functions. Okay. By the way, I will yes 1, 2, 3 how many seconds I should wait for this application. I don't know. Okay, no problem, I will proceed. Okay. So I will plot the points. We told -2. Okay, -2, -2. I will just I will take this one, copy, then I will go to paint. GeoGebra is open, class. GeoGebra is open. Okay. Okay, so y equal 2 to the power equal to the power x. To the power x. Okay. This is the curve, learners, of your function. To the power, oh, what is it, this one? Okay, again. Yeah, okay, I will extend this. So, okay. So this is the curve. Then I will move to paint. So just I will make the yes, this one I will make like that. This is the curve of your function. Copy, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, I'll just erase this one, then I will make like that. Okay. Then now, yes, this is the curve, learners, of your function. Okay, now if we suppose that the function now is y to the power minus x. Okay, if y is to the power minus x, okay, I'll just use GeoGebra, and this one should be 4, then 2, then 1, then half, then 0.25. This is GeoGebra. I will just put here minus x. So what happened? Minus, okay, minus x. I will erase this one. 2 to the power minus x. No. Okay, I will delete this. So I will do it again. Y equal 2 to the power minus x. 2 to the power minus x. So the curve will be like that. Yes. Okay. So we should, let's say, revise this also. It's very important. Okay. Clear? And if now I will just add here, if y equal 2 to the power x, should be like that. Okay. So this is the curve. This is y equal to 2 to the power minus x, and this one y to the power x. May it will be this or that. Clear? So we continue. And then we move to the next one. Question 3, we have given the function f of x equal to the square root of x, and g of x equal the square root of x divided by 2. question is find f of 9. F of 9, I will just use this one. Okay, so f of 9 learners, f of 9 is equal to, I'll just make substitution. Okay, equal to multiply by the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 equals 6. Equal 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Clear? For the next one, okay, find the composite function of j of f squared of x. Okay, so this one I will just write equal what? I'm going to substitute, let's say, x here by 2 the square root of x. Okay, so first of all I'm going to write this first. Okay, copy. I will insert a square. What can I write the answer? Okay, then like that. Okay, Control V. So g of f squared of x. Okay, copy. I will put it here. Okay, equal what? So it will be, I will use this one. I will insert this function inside this one. Okay, I will first of all squaring f of x. F of x. Okay, I will just write this one. Okay, I will square this number. So this is of x, then f squared of x equal, copy, then therefore I will square both sides. So f of x equal 4x. This is my function f after squaring it. Okay, now I will move to put 4x, this 4x inside the function j. So I'm going to do this again. Copy. Okay. G of this function equal g of 4x. Then I will close, which is equal to what? I will use this one. Copy. Which is equal the square root of 4x over 2. Then here is 4x. Okay, 4x over 2. Then the square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us only the square root of x equal the square root of x. Then I will erase this one. Okay, this is the problem. So this is how can you solve this kind of questions. Okay, here you can write it as the square root of x. I can simply, let's say, erase this one, equal the square root of x. So g of f squared of x is the square root of x. Clear? Now we move to the next part. Find g of f squared of 9. Just substitution here. I will use this one, this fact. Or I will use all of this, Control V and Control C, no need, I'll just make this one, Control C. Okay, for this question C, go down, okay. So there is this one, then g of squared of 9 is equal to, I will use, let's say, the last one, the last answer that I found before. it will be here 9, which is equal to 3. 9, so this one is equal to 3. Clear? The next, if f of x equal x squared, prove that f minus 1 of x is the square root of x or negative the square root of x. So I will make here a copy. Okay, I will extend this one. We told f x is equal to x squared. I'll just write this one as x squared, then I will raise this one. Okay, now we'll suppose that f of x is y, therefore y equal x squared. Here there is a comma. Okay. Then let's say change y in x, and x in y. Okay, means instead of writing x, I just put y the subject. So I will write here this one. I will change it. Okay, I will write it here. Means this is x and this is y. Now y is the subject, so y is equal, therefore y is equal to y, Mr. Murad, yes. Therefore y is equal plus negative the square root of the square root of x. Okay, and I finished some of these questions. This is to prove the f minus 1 of x. Therefore f minus 1 of x is equal to, hence equal to plus negative the square root of x. This is the inverse function. Clear? Okay, now for the next one, the second part, prove if a equal b to the power negative 2, show that f of a, the inverse function of a, is 1 over b. I will use this one. Okay, I will use this fact. So this one learners is equal to equal f minus 1. We told if a equal b negative 2, so f of a equal plus negative, I will just erase the plus negative, is the square root of a. Then a is what? Which is equal to, copy again, okay, equal the square root of b negative 2. Okay, b negative 2. Or this, you can see this is the exponent is negative, you can write it as, okay, you can write as 1 equal the square root of 1 divided by, I will make equation 1 divided 1 divided by b squared. This is no, okay, I will make this one. So we told 1 over, this is 1 over b squared. Okay, b squared. Okay, this is b and this is to the power 2, which is equal to the square root of, equal the square root of the square root, which is equal 1 over b. Clear? Equal 1 divided by b. Then I answer the question. This is b and this is 1. Okay, this is how can you show your work, my learners. The next question. Now let's say if the triangle, the area of this triangle ABC is 52.16 centimeters squared, C equal 12 and B equal 9. The question is prove that prove that the angle A is 75 degree. Okay, for this question I will just make enter. I will use this one. I will need this rectangle. Okay, then I'm coming here to write. First of all, learners, we already know that the area of triangle ABC is equal to what? Equal 1 divided by 2. Then BC, sine of the angle A. Okay. Oh, okay, no problem. I will erase all of this. Okay. So we told that area of the area is equal to, we told 1 divided by 2, then BC times sine of angle A. Okay, so which is equal in fact to equal to this one, equal to 52.16 centimeters squared. Then I'm going to find the value of this angle. So I will use the formula first. Okay, I will use this one again. Okay, copy. I'll make enter. I will extend this one so that I can find the space where to write. Okay. This is area equal. This is the angle sine. Then I'm going to find the sine of A. Sine of A, learners, is equal. Therefore, I will make symbols. This one means sine of A. Sine of A is equal to what? 2 times the area multiply, or 2 times BC, 2 times the area divided by BC. Okay, now just substitution. First, of course, here we are going to use shift sign. Okay, shift sign means that angle A is equal to sine minus 1, the inverse function, sine minus 1 of this ratio, which is 2 times the area divided by BC. Okay, now substitution, just substitution. Therefore A equal, or I will use this one. Okay, copy. Then this implies that A equals sine minus 1 times 2 times the area, which is 52.16, divided by 12 times 9, and the angle is approximately equal to 75 degree. Clear? Now I prove this one. So you should write your formula first, then make A as a subject, then just substitution at the end. Okay? The next. In the triangle ABC, AB is 40, okay, BC is 32, and AC is 27. Find the size of the angle. See here, we'll use cosine rule, of course, okay, but just I'm going to use this one, we need it, okay. I will use cosine rule to find the missing angle, okay. Cosine rule means I will just make a squared small a squared equal copy equal what? Equal b squared, equal b squared plus c squared, b plus c squared plus c squared plus c squared, then minus 2 times bc cosine of bc cosine of the angle A, okay. Then I'm looking for to find, let's say, to make cosine of A as a subject. So just write here cosine of A, cosine of the angle A is equal to what? Equal to, I will use this one, copy, is equal to what, learners? I'll just make 1/2, then I will erase. So this is, so control V is, okay, is A minus b squared, then minus c squared divided by minus 2 times bc, okay. Then learners, to find now, let's say A, just make cosine minus 1, therefore cosine, yes, this is implied that cosine of the angle, cosine, therefore A is equal to cosine minus 1 of this ratio, okay. Then we'll just raise this, okay. I will use this one after, sorry. So this is how can you figure out your formula so that you can find the value of A. Therefore, now substitution, I will just use this one again, only this I need. Oh, no problem, I will erase after. So we told I will erase this, therefore A cosine minus 1, and A is now AB is equal to small c, then this one is equal to small a, then this one AC is equal to small b. Clear? Okay. Now I will use this fact. A squared is what? A squared is 32. Then minus b squared is 27. Then c squared is 40. Okay. Then Layla and Rasulullah. So b is 2 minus 2 multiplied by b is 27, multiplied by c is 40. Then you can use a calculator to figure out the answer. I will use the calculator, learners. Okay. So this one I will just write it again. Okay, I will write this again, learners. Okay, therefore, okay, I will extend, you mean? Okay, I will extend this. Then I will put this like that. will just calculate this one. We told I will use the calculator. So we have 32 squared minus 27 squared minus then minus 40 squared minus 40 squared. This is equal to negative to 1305. Okay, then I will just multiply this. It will be 2 times 27 multiplied by 40 equals 2000 minus 2160. Then I will erase the rest. Now you can use your calculator so that you can find the value of A. So I'll make shift cosine of 1305 over divided by 2160. So the angle is approximately is equal to 52 degree point 83, 0.8 to 1 decimal places. Clear? 1 dp. I wish that this is clear for you. Don't forget, of course, here let's say the degree of the function. Okay, equation. I will take this one, then I will cut. I will put it here. Yes, this is the correct answer for this question, learners. So we should explain like that. Okay, figure out, let's say, the formula of cosine rule, then try to find the one, let's say, make A as a subject and make shift cosine of that ratio that you use it for finding A. Okay, the next one. Now the diagram, let's say, represent a room which has the shape of cuboid. AB is equal to 6. AB is equal to 6. I will use this one to show you. Okay. Then given two square matrix below, A equals 6, 3, 2 minus 2, 3A, A, B minus B. Then the question here, what is the order of this matrix? The order here is answer, or Mr. Murad, answer. So it's the order is 2 by 2. Is 2 by 2. Why? Simply because we have the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. Okay. The next, for this question, learners, we did for this one we did it in the classroom. Clear? We did this in the classroom, so you can check your notebooks. Okay. For the second question, if we suppose that A equal B, I will just make this one A equal B, copy. Then I will try to answer this question. If A equal B, I will come here to answer this question. If A equal B, A is equal to B means that this one, this and that are equal. So we are going to write 6 is equal to 3A, 2A. I'll just change this one. 2A is equal to 2 will tell that also 3 is equal to A. It's clear that A is 3, okay. Then we're going to tell that 2 is equal to B, okay, means B is equal really to 2, and we're going to tell that minus 2 is equal to minus B. So we can cancel the negative sign or divide both sides by -1 or multiply by -1. So it's clear that B is equal to and A is equal to 3. A equal to 3. Why? Simply because we will tell that 2A equals 6. Look here, 2A equals 6 means that A equals 3. Okay, and the second entry in the first row, second column is the same, is equal to A. And for the second, you are going to tell that minus B equal minus 2 means B equal to. Clear? Then just I will change this one by 2A. Clear? Yes, now it's correct. The next one, this is how to learn is how to explain this. We make here 20. Okay, we'll just extend this. Okay, I will just color these numbers. Okay, it's clear now. Just I'll put this here, and the answer should be written down there, and your explanation should be here. Okay, the next, find the determinant of matrix A. My matrix A is that. Okay, this is the matrix. I will use this one again. So matrix. So this one, learners, I will just extend this one, then I'm going to just like that. Okay, the matrix learners is that. What is matrix? Which one I thought? I'll see this another symbol. Yes, no. Okay, I'll see which one. Brackets, operator, limit. I'll see this one. Maybe I'll find it here. Only these symbols. No, I don't like this one. No, operators. Okay, no problem. I will use this one. Okay. Copy. So, matrix A equal, the determinant is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 2. 6 multiplied by minus 2, put into parentheses because negative, then minus 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2, which is equal to minus 12 minus 12 minus 6 equal negative 18. This is the correct answer for this question. Clear? So just okay, so the answer here is negative 12, negative 18. Okay, see the last answer, and this is how can you show your work, my loves. Clear? Okay, the next. Now we move to the next part. The triangle, let's say XY, with the coordinates 10, 1, 12, 6, and minus 11, minus 5 is transformed into triangle XY, X dash, Y dash, and Z dash by let's say, a column vector or translation of 6, negative 2. The question is determine what, let's say, the image of x and y and z. Okay, I'll just write this again, okay, to solve this question. So I will use this one, yes, shapes, okay, okay, then I will make enter here, I will make enter here, enter, okay, and this one, okay, then this one I will make is mapping to, okay, is mapping into then x dash with parentheses will make comma, then okay, this one I'll just make another copy for this, we need it, okay, then this is y, and then I'll just extend this, okay, I'll make here copy, this is z dash, okay, z dash, okay, now I'm going to explain this, I will use this one, okay, now I'm going to solve this kind of questions. We can, let's say, each point of x and y value coordinates will move, let's say, 6 units to the right and 2 units down. Means just you are going to add 6 plus 10 is 16, okay, is 16, and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, okay, then the next one, 12 plus 6 is 18, and 6 minus 2 is 4, okay, is 4, then minus 11 plus 6 is minus 5, and minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, so this is the correct answer, learners, okay. Okay, for each, let's say, answer is half mark, okay, then we continue, then the position of the corners of this triangle are described by the vectors 2, 1 and 4, 1, 3 and 3. Use this matrix to transform this corner, draw the new shape or the image on the grid. First of all, learners, I will put this here, I will go to home, and I will make, okay, so I will try to make a square, so yes, square paper. Now I will make like that, sorry, then okay, I will use this matrix, copy, now I will insert, let's say, square, where can I, let's say, insert shape, okay, I will make like that, okay, now I will make this matrix, okay, first of all, the point, the column vector, this one should be multiplied by, okay, copy, should multiply by this matrix, okay, then for the second one I have also this matrix, I will do it again, copy, okay, I will make like that, okay, I will make like that. So now to find the image, it's clear for you, okay, now I will make I will try to find the image of this. Here this one equal what, learners? Equal parentheses here. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 plus 1, this is 1. then comma, then 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 by 1 is 2. I finished the image of the first point. For the second one, equal, okay, equal 0 multiplied by 2 is, sorry, here is 4, 1, here is 4, 1, 4, 1, and here is 3, 3. 3, 3, clear? Okay. So, multiply, it will be 1 here, it will be 1. Then 0 multiplied by 4 plus 0 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay, then here is equal to what? Equal to 0 multiplied by 3 is 0, plus 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Okay, and also here 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, plus 0 by 3 is 3. Then I will close the parentheses. So this one is the image of the corner of these triangles. Okay, you should multiply by, okay, by the matrix of transformation. If now we are going to use this one, I will just make a screenshot. Okay, then I will, sorry. I will make a screen, print screen. Then I will come to paint. Okay, then I will try to draw this one. First of all, this one we called 1, 2, 1, 2. This point is 1, 2. Then 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. This is 1, 4. Then 3, 3 is that. 3, 3 is this. Okay. Now just I will draw the image of this. Yes, I will use this one. So this one, it will be like that. Okay. Then again I will draw it here. Okay. Then again I will make like that. So this is the correct answer, learners. After finding the image of this point of these triangles, of the corner of these triangles, by the matrix 0, 1, 1. Okay, you can see this one. This triangle, let's say it's rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the center, 3, 3. Clear? So this is matrix. Okay, for matrix of rotation 90 degrees. Okay, about the center here, 3, 3. Clear? Now I'll make a copy for this one. I just okay, this is the correct answer, learners. Okay, copy. Then I will erase what is done before. Okay, I hope so that it would be yes, like that. Clear? We should do like that. Okay, the next one I will just erase this one. Okay. Then now given that C equal 1, 1, 0, 1, find the determinant. The determinant is equal to what? 1 multiplied by 1, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 0, which is equal to 1. Okay. And the next, this is an easy question. Now find the C minus 1. So C minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1, no need to do it. So equal, just a moment, equal 1 divided by 1, okay, 1 divided by 1, multiply by the matrix. Then I should change here. I will just make negative sign, which is equal to 1 minus 1, because 1 divided by 1 is 1, and this is the last answer. Then we go to the next one. For solve for x, matrix x multiplied by 2, 0, which is equal to negative 4, 4. So x multiplied by 2 is 2x. is 2x equal 4, and the next one minus x multiplied by 2 is minus 2x equal negative 4. So it's clear that x is equal to here, x is equal to 2, and here also the same, x equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2 is equal to 2. Clear? So this is the value of x here in this matrix. Clear? I wish that it's clear for you. Okay, the next one. Now we move to the next part. We have, let's say, question 5. Question 5, we have 2 dice are thrown, let's say, simultaneously. Write down the possible outcomes. Okay, the possible outcomes. So you can, let's say, use 3 space diagram. No need, because it's very easy. So this one, it will be 36. The answer is 36. Possible outcomes. Possible outcomes is equal to 36. 6 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36. Clear? Okay. Then for the next one, find the probability of getting a double. So how many doubles do we have? We have okay, 2, 2, okay, 3, 3, okay, 4, 4, okay, 5, 5, okay, and 6, 6. So 1, 1 also, don't forget about 1, 1. So how many outcomes? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is answer having getting garing double is equal to 6 divided by 36, which is equal to 1 divided by 6. Okay? Okay. So this one. Okay. Then we move to the next part. The next question. Multiple of 2. Okay, a multiple of 2. We have multiple of 2. So I'll just make this one here. Multiple of 2. I'll just explain this. I'll make insert here a table. 6 by 6, 6, okay, 7 by 7. This is 3, this is 7, this is 1, 2, 3, 7. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and here we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we get 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 1, 4, then 1, 5, then 1, 6. Then here 2, 1. I will make 2, 1, then 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. The next here we have 3, 1, 3, 1, then 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Sorry. 3, 4, then 3, 5, 3, 6. We move to the next part. We have 4, 1, then 4, 2, then 4, 3, then 4, 4, then 4, 5, then 4, 6. And the next outcomes I will get 5, 1, 5, 1, then 5 2, then 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, and the last one will be 6 1, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. So this is the possible outcome that it's given here. Now the question multiple of 2. Okay, multiple of 2. I will get here 2 multiple of 2. So I will make with another color if it is possible. Okay. This is multiple of 2. Okay. All of these are multiple of 2. I will just make this one multiple of 2. Then this is also multiple of 2. Okay. And then what else? This is all of these are multiple of 2 also. Okay. Then 4, all of these are multiple of 2. Okay. Then this one also is a multiple of 2. Okay. And this is a multiple of 2. So I will just count the outcomes. Let's start. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 10 10 10 10. This is 11 11. Okay, I told 11. Then this is 3 3. Sorry, this is 3 3. Okay, we do it again. 1, this is 6 6 7 8 9 9 10 11 12 12 12 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. So the answer is 27 divided by 36, which is equal to 3 divided by 4. Clear? I wish that the answer is clear. It can be the exam, it can be even number, a multiple of 3, okay? You do like that. Clear? It's clear that I should please show you work, okay? And what else? Now we move to the next part. I thought the last question, and I will finish the mathematical revision for you, my learners. Here a bag contains 12 beads, 5 are rare and the rest are black. 2 beads are drawn at random. The first bead is placed before the second is drawn. Find the probability that we have both beads are black. Okay. I will draw, let's say here, I will write black red. Okay. Sorry. Copy. Sorry again. Copy. Okay. This is black red. Okay. And this is red, of course. This is red. This is red. No. Red. Okay. I will use this one. Copy or cut. Then I will write it here. Okay. So here we make now, let's say, the branches. This. Okay. Which one? I will use this, no problem. Okay, this is black. Then I'll make copy V. Okay. Now comes here. I will do like that. So I will erase this one. Okay. Then here it will comes like that. This is red. This is red. Okay. Then okay, I will see here. I will use this one after. I'll put them here. Okay, I will try to draw the 3 space diagram. So here learners insert okay this one okay I will do like that. Rotation comes here please. Brother I'm still recording والله. Okay then make like that. So then this one I'll make it here. Okay, this one also will make. Okay, so this one I'll put it here. This one I'll put it here. This one is there. This one is here. Okay, now in the first toss I will get the first rolling or the first throw I will get black, and the second one I will get red. Okay, then for this one I will just put here so that I can have space. Okay, then for red I will get black or I will get red. Clear? Okay, the probability of getting black, we told how many blacks are there. How many blacks? 5 are red. Okay, 5 are red. I will make here 5 divided by 12. This is red. Okay. This is the red are 5 and this one the black are 7. 7 and here 5 over 12 I will put it here. No, comes here please. What happens? Where do you go? Okay, this is 5. Okay, now this one is black is 7 also. I'll put it here. So may I will use squares? Yes, I will use this one. Copy. Then I will use here some shapes so I can solve this one. Okay, white I will write here 7 over 12. I will make copy here. Black always 7 over 12. Black 7 over 12. This is 7 over 12. Okay. Then I will make here copy 5. I will just change here by 5 now. 5. And this is 5. And here also is 5. Then I will put them on their branches. Okay. So now I finish it. So here the outcomes learns is here black, red. I will write it here black. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the outcomes. I will make red. So black. I will erase all the rest. Then here I get let's say black red. I will erase. Okay. Then here it will be the outcomes are red, black. Then I will erase all of this. Then this one learns is red. Okay, red. Okay. So this is the outcomes if you want. This is just make. Okay, I'll just write this one. Control V. I will put it here. This is the outcomes. Okay. Control V. I will use also this here. This is their probability. Okay. I'll just write here outcomes. Possible outcomes. Okay. Then I will extend this one so that it will be clear. And this one is the probabilities. Their probability. probability. Okay, probability. Okay, now we'll write here. Okay, we'll write their probability is what? I will insert this one to show this for you. I need this one, Mr. Murad. Okay. So the first one is 7 by 7, 49 divided by 144. The next one is 35 divided by 144. The third one is 35 divided by 144. And the last one is 25 divided by 144. We're going to multiply their branches. So here the question is both are black. Both are black means 49 divided by 144. Now one red and one black means you are going to add all of this. Okay, I will use another color. Okay, yes. So to add this 35 plus 35 to be 70 divided by 144. So 70 over 144, this is the last answer. You can simplify, okay, or put it as it is. It will be 35 divided by 72. And here the answer is 49 divided by 144. Okay, you can, this is the answer of course, but you should show all your work like that. Clear? I wish that I gave you a slight idea about this mathematical final exam revision. Okay, now it's 33 past 1 a.m. I wish that I answered to all your questions, and if you have doubt, your mathematical Murad Sultan Ezouidi is already here to help you. Okay, don't hesitate to ask a question. Thank you for that. See you next time, inshallah. Okay, and goodbye. Okay, now we'll save this. Save. Then I'm going to stop the recording. Stop recording, Mr. Murad. Okay, so thank you learners for listening. Okay, this is your mathematics teacher Murad Sultan. I already, let's say, finished the revision for you. I wish that this one can, let's say,